Julie's crawling up the broom closet. We're tracing some wires and things like that. Just seeing where some things go. And there's a cardboard patch up there that we're curious about.
Who does this?
I don't know.
I think you might need a knife or something.
Okay. I got one. Don't cut yourself.
I think I got it now.
Oh, nice. All right, take the camera. Oh, jeez, you just hit me in the head.
I'm sorry. I forgot about you.
Thanks. Jeez, how much cardboard's in there?
A lot. Okay.
All right, take the camera. Let's see what's in it. It's on.
Is this right? Or you need a light?
Do you see anything?
Nothing fun.
Huh?
Nothing fun.
Thank God you're skinny. That's all I got to say. How's that light wired up there? Is it got water wiring in it?
I guess so.
Okay. Is there anything? Is it just the brick
What is
wall
this?
plus the stairway you're looking at? Nothing really special in there?
Stairway?
Yeah.
Is that what that is? Why is there a stairway right there? There's some really pretty wood right here.
Really?
Yeah. Probably.
The top of the servant steps, or underneath the servant steps, right?
Oh, really? Oh. I don't reckon this was closed in before. Because there's wallpaper and stuff. And this really pretty wood. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
So one of the reasons why we decided to go ahead and tackle the attic first and strip it down was we found a lot of lamp cords running through the walls, like we had mentioned earlier. And down in the basement we found some things that were tied into some junction boxes that we felt were probably unsafe. So we decided to tackle that, and yesterday we spent most of the entire day just going through the house, all the circuit breaker panels, all the receptacles, lights. We mapped out the entire house, what everything is fed off of, and just took the time to gain knowledge of how everything was wired so we don't run across anything or any surprises. And of course, out of safety concerns, we want to be as safe as we can, so we have to be methodical about the way we go about this, because it's a very large home and a very large undertaking. So, but that's pretty much it. I know this is kind of probably a boring video, but it just a brief explanation of why we're going through the trouble to rip the attic out and start over with a fresh, clean slate. So we just want to make sure that that we're safe, our family's safe, and our visitors are safe. And it's not to disparage anybody who lived here, their efforts or anything like that. It's just trying to just get a handle on some safety concerns and just make sure that we're alive for another day. So this is what we did to map out the electrical wiring in the house. Just marked all the receptacles, the lights, the sconces, you know, whatever kind of stuff is run off electricity, refrigerator, stove, blah, blah, blah. But we went through and mapped out each room and marked the breakers and which panel everything was on, so we know exactly what runs what goes where, so there aren't any surprises. But I mean, when you're working with an old house, there's bound to be surprises, but it'll be a lot less. Having done this, we'll be able to kind of get an idea more of where everything is going. All right, just for the sake of documenting what's going on here, we've got this stranded ground wire going into a light switch, and then this ground wire was in between the drywall, and it was connected to another stranded wire that had insulation on it. So kind of a weird deal there. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Did you find a box?
I did.
Sweet, that's going to be our scrap box. Okay. Just wanted to give a view of how this is constructed with these large beams, with the angle that is cut, and how well that was put together. These huge beams and their spikes, and pretty impressive stuff up here, the very top of the house right here. And Julie, she's working on taking all the scrap apart, all the electric boxes and wire and stuff that we can either reuse or recycle. She is the bomb with the recycling, aren't you? So if I let her just do recycling all day, I shouldn't say that, because you do whatever you want anyways. A ground wire that's stapled to a beam doesn't really do much, I don't think. And yeah, we got this doorway that we wanted opened up. See the nice big two beautiful oak beams there. So we made a lot of progress in the last day or so. So we're getting there. Anything to say, sweetie?
What?
Anything to say?
Nope, we love y'all.
All right.